Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Let us eat. Yeah.
And my name's Destiny.
And I'm Luke. I'm Luke. This is Destiny, and welcome back to our channel.
And today we made falafels.
Falafels.
Yes.
We made falafels.
First time making falafels. Actually, first time eating falafels, I think, for me.
No, for me too. I don't think I've ever had a falafel until this time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Welcome back.
Hey. So that was definitely easy peasy. They were actually really good falafels. So good. We didn't have any leftover to show you.
Yeah, you probably bake those too. You don't have to necessarily
Just fry them.
up.
Or
be healthier.
put them in the air fryer. That's my favorite.
Try that if you have one. I don't, so I can't.
Oh, well.
Traditional oven. So, wrapping this up. Like, subscribe, ding the bell, comment, tell us how you liked it, what we need to improve. All right, and we'll see you next time.
Alrighty.
Let us eat. Bye.
Bye.